part of the food truck display in the exhibition hall of our factory. In addition, you can also customize the design of the food truck that you like. We are a food truck factory, factory price direct delivery, no middleman. Shipped directly from the factory to anywhere in the world. These are empty car shows. Add interior features as required. This online celebrity train outdoor food truck will attract more customers for you. This is a container food truck, which is also very beautiful overall. This is a double-decker bus food car. Functional areas can be added on the first floor as required. Up to the second floor, you can add functions according to your needs. This car is also used by many people to live outdoors. Will be added per camper van standard. Rest area, hot spring room, kitchen, living room and other functions. Welcome everyone to come to buy your favorite food truck.